Hello, everybody, and good evening. As we have a little weather wiggle working its way through on Friday, Sunday brings a chance for accumulating snow to the area. I'll have details as we compare a couple of different models on this version of Hutch's weather tonight.
Now, a Hutch's weather update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
All right, we're going to get started with the good old-fashioned European model as we go through our Friday. I'm going to have gusty winds and a big-time cool down, but let's get into the weekend because this is a more potent system rolling out of Alberta and setting up in the Rocky Mountains of Montana and Wyoming. This is a clipper system that will be sneaking across our area. Now, the European model shows mixed precipitation across the area with the best chance of snow far north until the cold wraparound air and the falling pressure of this storm system cause temperature drops to equate to some snow. So obviously some dynamics here that are yet to be foretold, as a matter of fact, but gusty winds and areas of heavy snow will be possible, mainly on the Minnesota side of the river. Now let's take a look at another model. Let's take a look at the American model right quick, and we'll show you the very latest with this one as the Sunday system comes rolling out of Wyoming, rocking across northernmost North Dakota as we go into the overnight hours Saturday night and into Sunday morning. We'll have rain down south, mixed precipitation in the middle. Look at this one. Pretty heavy band of snow right in the midsection. Now, one thing we can do is take a look at individual models and take a look at how much snow might be falling, but let's take a look at one that averages some of the models with regards to that, and we'll take a look at the chance of some significant snow. So let's take a look at the snowfall potential with this system working its way through, and this gives us an idea of the track of the storm. Now let me zoom into our area, since that's what we're focused on here in the Northern Plains. With this track of the low being across North and South Dakota, the track is very important with regards to this system. We'll get that early onset snow in the wee hours of the morning on your Sunday. By Sunday daybreak, though, accumulation will be likely. This is the Highway 2 corridor here through places like Michigan, Devil's Lake, right out into Bemidji. Looks to be at this point the model average area of the highest accumulation potential. Now, I wouldn't pay any attention too much to these detailed digits that you're seeing on any given location. Like Fargo, it says 3.1, 3.5 in Grand Forks. Way too early to get too specific, but it is model guidance and it does give us at least a starting point. And suffice it to say, over 2 inches is going to be likely with this storm system, and some could see over 6 inches of snow. It does look like the North Shore will have the best chance at seeing that. But for now, let's summarize Hutch's forecast for Friday. We have a cold front moving through. Gusty north winds throughout the day will increase to 30 miles per hour. A sharp morning shot of light, not accumulating snow, mainly just flurries. A couple spots may see a tenth or so of an inch. 32 is all as temperatures begin their decline in the early afternoon in Fargo, and 20s and teens up north. But look at the warmth is on. Decreasing wind speeds throughout the afternoon hours into your evening, with quieter conditions, decreasing clouds as well, will lead to a colder start to your Saturday. 21 degrees to begin your weekend, but we warm up nice. Here's the Sunday system working its way through, a clipper with some travel impacts possible. You can keep up with Hutch or check out hutchesweather.com to stay abreast of the latest with that. Monday through Thursday, feeling mighty springy out there as 40s, and even dun dun dun, a 50 burger is flipping off the grill for the for the late part of next week. That's a look at your weather. Again, I'll remind you, you can get the latest on hutchesweather.com anytime, anywhere. Please click the follow button on Facebook. So many of you have over 60,000 followers. Thank you so very much. Please subscribe on YouTube as well.